Hey guys, this video will show you how to install the Android GPS screen for BMW i3. The BMW i3 Android screen we offered is for the car 2014 to 2020. The first step is to remove the OEM screen. Just remove 2 screws on the back of screen. Take off the screen. Then remove the OEM video connection on the back of screen. The radio head unit is on the back, underneath of the back seat, so we need to wire the cable from the back to front. Now we remove the back seat, then we'll see the radio underneath. This is the original radio head unit. The cable connection are all the same as other models. Now remove the side step trim panel. Pry it first and then push the trim panel. It will be okay to remove it. It also need to remove the glove box in order to wire the cables underneath the glove box. The next step is to wire the power cable from the back to front. The first thing is to transfer the power cable on the back of radio head unit. Please notice, if your original power cable has the optical fiber cable, you need to move the optical cable to Android power cable. If not, it will no sound. This is the most important step.
这个做5个人，小孩子的受不了。小孩子受不了。开始发现了。
We need to wire the cables through the glove box, not only the power cable, but also the GPS antenna, 4G antenna, USB cable, etc. Now we are going to install the GPS antenna and 4G antenna. After connect all the cables, now install the screen.
OK，挂上。
And fix the screen by 2 screws on the back.
OK。
Now install the aux cable. The sound of Android screen go through aux, so that is necessary. If the car is NBT, the aux cable will connect to aux directly. If your car is EVO, it contains the USB. In this case, it need to use USB AUX adapter to transfer the audio from aux to USB. Finally, we recover the trim panel and the dashboard.
民族那种古老的编法，这里面蕴藏的这个艺术成分还是挺复杂的。
以后我们都不用了，我们直接说按照他怎么拍的，就大概要有一个还原的动作了，是吧？就不用拆车那么仔细了。最早应该是就是我刚给你看那个地方。这个地方，这个也不是对的。这应该是按屏幕的。才注意没拍那个位置，不是拆这个盖子的时候，这个地方没有拆空的把那个口，这里啊。把真空手机应该拍到那个地方。拍哪个照片？拍那个盖子的时候。 自己吓自己一跳。
就关于城市艺术的前世今生。
Thank you for watching.